HTML is not a scripting language. It is a markup language used to structure web pages. Using a C++ program inside Python is known as wrapping. API stands for Application Programming Interface. It allows different software systems to communicate. Boost is a framework that helps connect Python programs with C++ code. Modular programming divides a large program into smaller modules for easier development. The OS module allows Python programs to interact with the operating system. If no errors occur, getOpt returns an empty array in the args variable. The function call in this snippet is main with sys.argv parameters. Python can process text, numbers, images, and scientific data efficiently. The name variable stores the name of the current Python file. Scripting languages run using an interpreter and usually do not need compilation. Languages like C++ require compilation before execution. A compiler converts the whole program at once and runs faster. An interpreter executes code line by line and is generally slower. SWIG stands for Simplified Wrapper Interface Generator. MinGW means minimalist, new for Windows. Modules help divide large programs into smaller files and allow code reuse by importing commonly used functions. The cd command means change directory. It is used to move from one folder to another using a specified path. Python is an interpreted and dynamically typed language, where variables do not require data types. C++ is a compiled and statically typed language where variables must be declared with data types. Scripting languages are mainly used to automate tasks, extract information from datasets, reduce coding effort, and add new functionality by connecting different systems together. MinGW is a Windows compiler environment used to compile C, C++, and Fortran programs. Using G++, it also allows Python programs to compile and run C++ code dynamically. In the expression welcome.display, welcome refers to the module name and display refers to the function being called from that module. sys.argv stores command line arguments passed to a Python program. The first element contains the program name, and the next elements contain the input arguments provided to the program. Python has several useful features. It supports automatic garbage collection, uses dynamic typing, and runs through an interpreter. Python programs are usually much shorter than C++ programs. Also, variables do not need type declarations, and functions can accept any data type and return multiple values. This command explains how Python executes a program that works with a C++ file. Python is the command to run the script. Filename.py is the Python program. -I indicates input mode. The last part is the name of the C++ file without the extension. Python provides several built-in modules. The sys module gives access to interpreter variables and functions. The OS module allows programs to interact with the operating system. The getOpt module is used to split and process command line arguments. The getOpt function is used to process command line arguments in Python. Its syntax includes argv, options, and long options. It returns two values called opts and args. Opts stores parsed options and values, while args contains any remaining arguments. If parsing is successful, args will be empty. In this example, a simple C++ program prints the word welcome. The program is saved as welcome.cpp. A Python script then compiles and runs this file using the OS, sys, and getOpt modules. When executed, the final output displayed is welcome.